Hello everyone, welcome back to Basic Integrals example 4. So for this problem, we see that the degree in the numerator is greater than the degree in the denominator. So if the degree of the numerator is greater than or equal to the degree in the denominator, you gotta do long division. So you gotta do long division, so x plus 4, which is the denominator, goes outside. And then inside we have x squared plus 2x minus 1. So what number do I need to multiply this to get x squared? We need an x. So now we multiply this x with this. So x times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Now whatever the signs are here in front, you switch them. So if it's a positive, now it's a negative. If it's a, and then if this is a positive, now it's a negative. Then you add them. So these x squares cancel. Negative 4x plus 2x, that will give us negative 2x. And then we bring down the 1. Now, what do I need to multiply this by to get this? Negative 2. So negative 2. So now we multiply negative 2 times x. That will be negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4. That will be negative 8. Whatever the signs are, you switch them to the opposite sign. So this will be a plus and this will be a plus now. So the 2x and the negative 2x cancel. The 8 minus 1, that will be 7. So now we can write this integral as the numerator goes first. So x minus 2. And then this 7 and then this x plus 4. I basically just swap them. So whatever is on the top, I put them in the bottom. And then whatever's on the bottom, I put it on the top. So that will be plus 7 x plus 4 dx. And this is a pretty easy integral. So I'm gonna split it up so you can see. Integral of x dx minus integral of 2 dx plus integral of 7 x plus 4 dx. We can bring this 7 to the front. So now the integral of x is x squared over 2 minus the integral of 2 is 2x plus 7, and the integral of 1 over x plus 4 is ln x plus 4. Absolute value of ln x plus 4 plus c. And that will be your answer. And c is a real number. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in example number 5.